How to be sweet. Part 01. Be thoughtful towards others. Part of being sweet means that you are thoughtful towards other people. You can achieve this by showing interest in other people's lives, or by doing nice things for them. For example, instead of talking about yourself, you can ask your friend about his day. This will show your friend that you are interested in his well-being. If your friend reveals that he is having a bad day, you can show how sweet you are by buying him some ice cream. It is your friend's birthday. Unfortunately, it falls right during finals week and ends up being forgotten by everyone else as they scramble to complete assignments and catch up on last-minute studying. You can surprise your friend by bringing her a cupcake or a balloon to school. Be caring towards others. Part of being sweet is also being caring, which can be achieved through showing concern for other people. For example, if you notice someone looking upset, ask him or her what is wrong and if there is something you can do to help. This will show him or her that you care, even if he or she does not want any help. Always be polite. Part of being sweet means that you are polite and have good manners, even towards those you dislike. This means that you say things like please, and thank you, and excuse me or pardon me. For example, if someone compliments you, smile and say thank you. If you are eating in a cafeteria, and the salt shaker is too far away, do not reach across someone's face to grab it. Instead, ask, could you pass the salt, please? If you are in a hurry and need to get through a crowd quickly, try not to shove your way through. Instead, say pardon me or excuse me and try to weave your way past people instead. Be generous and giving. This does not mean that you have to donate all your clothes to charity and give in to everyone's demands. You want to be generous to a certain extent, but not so much that people begin to take advantage of you. For example, your friend forgot to bring her lunch to school, and she has no money to buy something from the cafeteria. You can offer part of your lunch to your friend, or lend her some money so that she can buy something to eat from the cafeteria. If you suspect someone taking advantage of your generosity, it is okay to confront him or her about it, so long as you do it in a gentle, non-accusatory manner. For example, if your friend asks you for lunch money every day, you can try saying, "Alright, I will help you one last time, but I really cannot afford helping you every day. What about bringing your own lunch from home tomorrow?" Consider complimenting others. Not only will complimenting others help boost their self-esteem and make them feel better, but it will also make you appear kind and sweet. For example, if your friend got a new haircut, tell her how cute it looks. She may be feeling self-conscious or uncertain about the change. Your compliment might just give her that much-needed boost of confidence. The boy sitting next to you in class draws almost the time. Instead of just telling him that he draws really well, mention a particular detail, such as hair or eyes. You could say something like, "Wow, you are really good at drawing. I really like how you did the eyes." Do not be over-generous with the compliments, however. You might come off as creepy, annoying, or fake. You want your compliments to be genuine, or at least appear that way. Be helpful towards others. Sweet people are the ones who are the first to offer help, even if it is not wanted. There are many ways you can help others, and some of those ways are small and almost effortless, such as opening doors. You can show your sweetness by offering help in many situations, such as: a girl has just dropped all of her books. Instead of walking past or laughing at, which a sweet person would never do, go over to her and help her pick the books up. A boy is helping set up for the school charity and has taken on more than he can handle, literally. He is carrying way too much, and all of the boxes are falling out of his arms. Go over to him and offer to help him carry some of the boxes. An elderly man in a wheelchair is about to leave a cafe, but the door is closed. You can show just how sweet you are by holding the door open for him. Don't forget to smile, and say you're welcome. If he thanks you, use a softer voice. Sweetness is associated with softness and gentleness, so try to use a softer voice when speaking. This does not mean you must talk at a whisper or use a high-pitched voice. Just soften your voice to a low and gentle level. This will help you sound kinder,